If you want to view the receipt for a game you purchased on GOG, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, simple, and useful if you need proof of purchase, want to check your order details, or just keep a record for your files. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GOG and open the app or website. Once it loads, look at the top panel of the screen. You should see several menu options there, and one of them will be Order History. Go ahead and select Order History. This is where GOG keeps a record of your past purchases, so it's the right place to find the receipt you need. After you open Order History, you'll see a list of the games and items you've purchased. Now hover over the game you want the receipt for. As you move your mouse over it, you'll notice a small arrow appear next to the game. That arrow is what gives you access to more options for that purchase. Click on the arrow and a menu will appear. From that menu, select View Receipt. Once you click it, GOG will open the receipt for that game, showing the purchase information and order details. You can review it on screen, and if you need to, you can save it or use it for reference later. So to recap, open GOG, go to Order History, hover over the game, click the small arrow, and choose View Receipt. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.